Good morning, everyone. The time is currently 5:15. I am getting my bags ready because it is time for me to head to my plane. So let's go. Alright guys, so we've made it through security. I am now at the airport for my first flight to Madrid. I'm super tired because I didn't sleep at all because my flight is 9 hours and a half to Washington. Security was stressful just because I had to unpack all the technology out of my bag. I didn't even make a haul video like everything that's in my luggage or like in my personal bag because I carry a lot of stuff. But that's besides the point. I'll see you guys when I'm on the plane. Landed in Madrid. I got myself some food. I had a really good chicken sandwich actually. Besides the point. Got myself some food. I'm now chilling in this like really cute like plant area. Hold on, maybe we can get like a really good view. This really cute plant area. Look, it's like hidden and stuff. I really dig it. But that's besides the point. I'm watching YouTube and I'm waiting. My flight is in approximately 1 hour and then I'll finally be back in the United States. So, but what I wanted to talk to you guys about was about all of the things I learned. But before we get into everything I've learned, let's rewind and see how it's really been.
3, 2, 1.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going all the way. Going high, 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 high. Going out, going all the way. Going high.
Don't fall.
Going all the way. Going up. Going all the way. Going up. Going all the way. Going high. Break the mold, then press repeat.
The first thing I learned was how great it felt to feel independent and alone. Like, I love just being able to walk my day and not have to worry about anything. It was also the first time in years that I've not worked. So being able to just kind of live, well, yeah, kind of to just like live my life. You know, I made friends. I went out. My Spanish improved so much. I spoke so much more than I have before. Being able to go to class and you know, I learned about things that even I, as someone who's learned languages for a very long time, didn't know, you know? So, and that's why I'm here to share all those things with you guys. I am now 20 years old and I've already experienced so much. So, being able to study abroad and go to university, although my plan was to stay there for 5 years, I'm deciding to go back home and continue my studies there. Sometimes things change, and that's fine, but you just gotta grab a hold of what you want, really. If you want something, go get it. I wanted to live abroad, and I did, and that was an amazing experience. To finally go home I think after so long and just see my family and the people that I know and love makes all of this worth it. So follow along because all of the things that I've learned in the past 10 to 15 years as someone who has studied languages, I'm here to share them with you. So just follow along, and the next time you guys will see me, I will be in the United States. So I have officially made it home. The flight was long, it was exhausting. I didn't show much after that, but if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that like, and trust me, this isn't the last of my adventure. Um, so stay tuned. My name is Jay. I'm here to share my story and to share where I'll be next. So follow along and subscribe and comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.